longevity concept built into our system from our grandfathers or grandmothers or whatever. So they feel that modular kitchen chalega nahi itna. That is a myth. First is of course to build that trust. Then we see if nothing works out. So yeah, that is of course from modular this, and for clients the other point.
So, sir, as you talked about ki if we are working for someone, so we should grab everything and should know like everything about like what they are like trying to teach us, and which we should grab all the things. So, what do you think are the pros and cons for like running your own company and working for someone else, like for a big firm?
So one, if you are working somewhere, then you don't have to worry about काम आ रहा है क्या नहीं. You just keep doing your work. Just go there. पैसा आ रहा है क्या नहीं आपका टेंशन नहीं, काम आ रहा है क्या नहीं आपका टेंशन नहीं. Start designing, and you put your creative self in front. But when you go on the other side of the table, when you are running your own firm, then yeah, you have to look at, so the commercial part of the business comes into the practice. Bringing work, making sure it is executed in a proper way, making sure you get your money of the work that you are doing. That is something that when you start designing and get into your own company or form your own company, are some of the things that you will have to of course learn. Both ways, please travel and learn.
So what advice would you like to give the upcoming designers who would like to specifically specialize in modular kitchens and furnitures?
So I would say, see, currently, because I come from a modular kitchen industry or a designer who's now become a modular kitchen expert, I would say that we as designers are lacking a lot of creative input from new gen architects or designers. वो modular कैसे हो गया कि इसको दे दो वो factory बना देंगे. So someone who wants to enter into especially from the design perspective, wants to enter into modular kitchen should bring out creative part of modular kitchen, because अगर ये बहुत creative product है, अब इसका 1000 कैसे बनाना है वो modular कर देगा, इसको replicate करना है वो modular कर देगा. Maybe look at this as another career option where you do product designing, where you do we don't have a kitchen design as a special category source. But a product or a furniture design or a product design should be looked into as a specialized thing, and then people should get into that. That will become really very, very good.